In this video, I will show you how to create outline effect in Canva. You can create outline effect in any object. First of all, I will add a page and then upload your image in Canva. Click on upload and then upload file. I will use this image. For this tutorial, I will use this image. Adjust the size according to your design ratio. Then duplicate this image. Click on the image. Here is the top toolbar. Here you will see duplicate option. Click on that. Image duplicate done. Now we have to remove the background of this image. To remove the background of this image, here is remove busy option. If you don't have Canva Pro subscription, then you cannot use this option. You can use any online free tools like removebusy.com. Download your image from Canva and upload it like here. Click on share and then click on download. Select the page. Once download, drag your image to here. This remove busy tool will automatically remove the background. Once background remove done, click on downloads and then click on free downloads. Once download this image, go back to Canva, upload your image in Canva without background. Drag it to Canva, then drag it to here. Drag it to your design, adjust the image according to original image. Like this way. Once you adjust the image according to original image, then click on the image. At the top toolbar, here is edit option. Click on edits. Scroll down a little bit. Under effects, you will see shadow. Click on shadow. Here is outline option. Click on that. First of all, I will change outline color. I will make it white, and then I will decrease the size around 10 to 12. When you apply outline effect, your image will be smaller according to your outline size. We have to increase the size little bit and then reposition it again. Here is intensity option. Intensity is mainly the transparency. If you decrease the intensity value, the outline will be transparent more, and I will keep it 100. That's how we can create outline effect in any object using Canva. Let's create another design. This time I will choose another image. Let's use this one. Adjust image first. This time I will use Canva remove busy option. First of all, duplicate this image, select the image, then click on Ctrl C, press hold and Ctrl B. Image duplicate done. You can also use this option at the top toolbar, duplicate option. Then click on remove BG. Finally, background remove done. Select the image and then click on edit. Under effects, here is shadow option. Click on shadow. Here is outline effect. Click on outline effect. First of all, I will change the color. I will select white. You can choose any other color. For this image I will use red color because it's make more perfect. You can choose any other colors according to your needs. Then I will decrease the outline size all the way to 10, 12. Intensity I will keep this 100. That's how we can create outline effect in any object using Canva. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more Canva tips and tricks tutorial. Thanks for watching this video.